Alright, this is going to be the elevator at the Hampton Inn here in Winter Haven, Florida. This was originally a Dover elevator, Miami Dover to be exact, that got modernized by Skyline Elevator Company, which is a local company based outside of Clermont, Florida. It's got innovation prestige buttons now. And here's the elevator. It's incredibly busy right now, so I don't know how much of a ride we're going to have here. Take it to 3. Here on 3. Let's use the elevator. I'll let them have it. You're welcome. We'll get a quick view while we're up here on 3. Somebody's standing right there. I'm going to put the camera away.
Make sure it shines.
Somebody's standing right there. Here's your view from this side of the hotel, facing towards Cypress Gardens Blvd. There's a Red Lobster restaurant right there, and an Outback Steakhouse over there. There's one of your set of steps. This hotel is actually quite big. And there's only one elevator serving this entire hotel, I believe, according to Florida records. There's the elevator we just came up in. Another set of steps. Get a view from this window facing towards the back of the hotel. That hotel there is the Holiday Inn, where we just at not that long ago. There's a hotel pool. I'm not going to point the camera at the people that are in it. There's actually quite a big Hampton Inn. More rooms down here. Could easily put a second elevator in here since this hotel is quite big. And there's your third set of steps. And here's one more view from the top. Nothing exciting from this side, other than the parking lot. Alright, now we're going to go back down the elevator and end the video. And here we are coming back to the elevator. Let's take it back down. And like I said, this elevator is incredibly busy right now. It's a holiday weekend. I'm filming this on Easter weekend. Oh, there's the ice machine and a vending machine. And here's our elevator. Oh.
Again?
There's your lantern. And now we're going to end at 1. Where close button works. We'll get our cavity going down. Kind of a basic but nice elevator for a Hampton Inn. Not sure if it's the original cab or not. It's got a camera in the elevator. And there's your floor indicator, innovation prestige buttons, and your certificates. Capacity is 2,500. And here we're back at 1. Sorry if this isn't the best video since this elevator is incredibly busy, like I said the last 2 times. There it goes, and that's it.